as a YouTuber and you have not been adding your videos to playlist, it means you have been throwing away your watch hours, you have been throwing away subscribers count, meaning that's the reason why you are not growing. So in this video, I'll be teaching you the practical steps on how to create YouTube playlist, add your videos to your playlist. Now, you might want to ask, sir, what is playlist? Now, playlist is a YouTube tool which enable creator to get more discovered easily, or which enable YouTube to suggest more of your videos to your what? To your audience or to your viewers. Which means if that is what that YouTube playlist is all about, it means this could have actually enabled you to have more viral videos or more watch hours or more subscribers. And all this I'm going to be teaching you in this video. Now, if you have a laptop, it's fine. If you have a mobile phone, is fine. So which means anyone you have here, I've got you covered. All right. Now, the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to head to our browser. Either you're using the Google Chrome versions or any other browser of your choice, or if you're going to be using your mobile phone, you can download the YouTube Studio app for either iPhone or Android from your app store, which is very easy. All right, so now let's go to the screen and let me show you how this is being done. Now, the first thing you're going to do is come to your browser and then type YouTube Studio. Okay, now when you open like this, go ahead and then click on the YouTube Studio. Now it's going to land you on your home screen interface, just like the meaning is going to land you in your channel, just like this. You have to make sure you are in your channel. Okay. Now go ahead at your top right, you're going to see create. All right, so go ahead and click on that create. So when you click on create, you're going to be seeing upload, you're going to see go live, you're going to see create post, and you're going to see new playlist. All right, so now when you click on that place, then you're going to see a place that says title required, meaning this playlist, what do you want to title it with? One thing you need to know as a YouTuber is that if you are a coach or you create any kind of content, let us assume me as a coach. Now let me use myself as a coach. I create videos on editing, I create video on YouTube tips, and I create video on Facebook tips. So which means I need to create 3 playlists. Now these 3 playlists, each of my videos will be what? Anytime I'm posting video for YouTube, I will add it to YouTube playlist. Anytime I'm creating video on video editing, I will add it to video editing playlist. And anytime I'm creating video on Facebook, I will also add it to Facebook playlist. So this enable each of my viewers, whenever they are watching, whenever they discover any of my YouTube video, so YouTube will suggest all my video in my YouTube playlist to them. And whenever they also discover my Facebook video, YouTube will show them all my playlists, meaning all the video in my Facebook playlist. And whenever they discover my video editing video, YouTube will suggest all my video editing video in my playlist to them. So you can see how important this playlist is. Now, I'm going to title this playlist now that I want to create to how to get 1,000 subscriber. That is what I'm going to be titling this video, which means on YouTube, every video I create around subscribers, I'll be adding it to this particular playlist. Now, after I've done that, I will come down to description. Your descriptions matters a lot. Now, as a YouTuber, when you are creating a playlist, when you are adding a description, you have to add keywords that people will be searching for. For example, now, I'm going to write, have you been struggling with subscribers? Do you say it now? Then I will now continue. I will not just tell them that this video is for you. Meaning, the moment you search anything that has to do with subscribers, YouTube is likely to begin to suggest my video in this playlist to you. So that's to tell you that this playlist is so important to every creator here on YouTube. Now, after I've done that, then you come down to your visibility. Make sure that your playlist visibility is in public. Okay. Then now, default video order, I want it to be newest, meaning any new one I add to playlist should be at the top, or you can choose to make it most popular, or any how you want it. Okay, now after you've done that, leave your language, then it's fine. Then go ahead and click on create. Now when you click on create, you have just created a playlist. All right, now after you have created a playlist, the next thing is how to add video to our playlist. All right, now you can add your video from here, and again you can see the title of the playlist, how to get 1,000 subscriber, meaning our playlist is ready. It's just how to add video to it. Now How do we add our video to playlist? Go back to content. I'm going to show you how to do this also on mobile phone. Okay, go back to content. Now, any video of your choice that you want to start adding to a playlist, just click on the pen icon of that video. You can see me. Click on the pen icon of that video. After you've done that, scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see playlist. Now, you can see the playlist we just created. It has now appeared among my playlist, which is how to get 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and then click on done. After you've done this, then at your top right, look at your top right, you're going to see save. So automatically now you have just added this video to a playlist. So you have learned how to create playlists now, and you have learned how to add your video to playlist. Now, after you've done this, you can still go back again. Let's assume you have created so many videos before you now have to have the idea of playlist. All those videos, you can now begin to add them back one after the other. You can see all the videos here. I have so many videos here. So let's assume those videos now, all of them have not been added to playlist before. Now it is time for you to now create your playlist and then begin to add them one by one. Another advantage of this playlist is that it enables you to put your video in order. Now, after you have done this, you will now ask me, sir, what if is phone? What if what I have is a mobile phone? Now, let me show you how to also do it on your mobile phone. Okay, it is also very easy. After you have created your playlist, the next thing you're going to do now is you also come to your channel. So you see you at your bottom right. So it will bring you to your channel just like this. Okay. Now, after I bring it to your channel, go ahead and locate any video of your choice. And then you're going to see 3 dots at the front of that video. Click on it and it will pop up like this. Then go ahead and click on save to playlist. Then it's going to bring out all your playlists that you have just created. Then select the right playlist you want to add your videos to. It's as simple as that. So now you can see save to how to get subscriber, meaning I've just saved this video to how to get subscriber. You can repeat all your videos here. You can repeat the same thing by adding them to playlist one after the order. Now you have seen, you now know how to create your playlist. You now know how to add your video to playlist. One of the meaning from now on, anytime you are uploading your video, always add your video to the right playlist. The playlist enable you to organize your video properly, which also enable YouTube to properly suggest or distribute your video to people who are looking for similar video. Imagine, do you know that even from your playlist, for example, let's assume somebody watch my video and the video is about 1,000 subscriber, and you're also a creator on YouTube who also create videos around 1,000 subscribers, and you have added it to your 1,000 subscriber playlist. YouTube can as well even suggest your video to my viewer. Do you see how important playlist? Now, what does this now tell you? It means the more virality you get, meaning the more opportunity you have by distributing your videos the right way, then the more you will have a result of watch hours, a result of subscriber count. So I discovered that you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. This will mean a lot to me, so that whenever I create important videos just like this, you also get to benefit. I create videos around YouTube tips, video editing tips, and then Facebook tips, which means I've got you covered. One thing I do on this channel is I make sure as a coach, I guide you properly to make sure that you grow very fast. And then no shortcuts, but you are doing it the right way. You can as well go to the comment section, support other subscribers. I've told you guys, you can as well grow just by leaving a meaningful comment on other people's video. This helps you or make the creator or other subscriber to discover you more. And again, if you want me to create any video for you on any topic at all, you can as well let me know in the comment section and I will do it for you. You can just say, sir, I am not clear on a particular topic, or this is what you're going through and you want me to do a video on that. And now, like this video you're seeing now, somebody actually asked for it, and that is why I'm doing it. I understand as a YouTuber, it's possible, because I've been there, it's possible for you to go through a lot of things on your channel. So the right step you just need to take is reaching out, and I will do the video for you. So see you in my next video. All right, thank you.